The last type of probability that we're going to look at is called conditional probability. This one might be the hardest of all three to understand. So I'll give you an example using a dice. Okay, remember on a dice there are six sides to it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I give you an example right here. Suppose a die is rolled and it is known that the number rolled is odd. What is the probability that the number rolled is a 5? So I'm really telling you, I'm reducing your sample space. At the beginning, if I didn't tell you that the number rolled was odd, you would tell me that there are 6 options for my dice to be rolled. But since I restrict it and I say that suppose the die is rolled and you know that the number rolled is odd, now you're only dealing with the odd numbered locations on your dice, which restricts it from all the way from 6 down to 3. So now you have 3 total options. Out of, now what is the probability that the number rolled is a 5? Well, there's only one 5. So the probability now is 1/3 instead of 1/6. Okay, we're going to do a couple more examples that deal with this in this scenario. So this person's class is holding a debate. The students participate randomly, draw cards numbered with consecutive integers from 1 to 8. Students who have an odd number are on one team and students who are on the who drew an even number are on the other team. Jonathan is on the opposition team. So I'm already telling you what team he is on. What is the probability that he drew the number 2? Well, there's only one 2, so we're going to say that the probability of him getting a 2 is a 1 over something. I'm stating that he is on the opposition team, which is dealing with even numbers. How many even numbers are there from 1 to 8? Well, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are all even. So there are 4 even numbers. The probability is 1/4. Let's do one more. When 2 dice are rolled, what is the probability that one die is a 4, given that the sum of the dice is 9? Okay, so what I'm looking for is I'm telling you that anytime you see the word given that means that this has already happened. So I'm already telling you that the sum of the dice is 9. So I would come up with the total number of ways to get a sum of 9 out of here. So sum of 9 could be 3 and 6, 4 and 5, 5 and 4, or 6 and 3. Those are the only ways that I can roll a sum of 9. So we would say that there are 4 ways to roll a sum of 9. And I want to know what is the probability that one of the dice has a 4 on it. And I look through all my options. There are 2 of them. The probability is a half.